This sauce is so easy to make. All you need is salt, oregano, some basil, garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of sugar. Next, go to your blender. 1 big can of peeled plum tomatoes. I use the Italian kind. A can of tomato paste. Put in all your spices. And just a splash of olive oil. Now, all you have to do is blend it for about 20 seconds. So you get a semi-chunky consistency. You're not looking for buttery smooth. And it makes a ton of sauce. What I do is I use what I'm making for pizza that day, and then I freeze the rest for later. I hope you enjoyed this little recipe. There's lots more videos on the Dad Got This YouTube channel.